This temple seems to be very big.
Welcome, welcome. Your past, your present, your future, you can know all that. Come, come. Whatever happened, whatever is going to happen, I'll tell you all that.
Shall
Come,
we only
come,
look
come.
into this?
My lovely
Okay,
parrot
you
will
just
tell
check
you all
out.
that.
I'll pray to the
Shall we
garden,
ask
come.
him to see? Give me the right card. Sit down. What is your name?
Rama.
Rama. Darling, for the name of Rama, pick a beautiful card. Come, come, come. Come out, come, come. Be active. Come on, pick a card. Come, come. What will she do in the future? Pick a card. Oh God, whatever comes out of my mouth should be the truth. God, please save me from lying. Money, fame, name, everything I can see here. But I see you have no child yet. Am I right?
You're right.
Oh my God. You have Nagadosham. But there is a solution for this. Don't worry. You call your husband. I'll tell you everything. I tell you the right remedy, okay?
Let this be here. I'll call him.
Come quickly.
Jay? 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 Jay?
Shut your mouth. Kill you. Elephants were in this house once upon a time.
Yeah. On the way over here, we have heard everything about your elephant and other things.
No, I have
Hello, sir.
heard.
Could you please call your daughter?
Parvati, call her daughter.
I think that stomach is little bit bulged.
If you say yes, then yes. If you say no, then no.
What are you saying? Say yes or no, because bridegroom's father have to take the decision. Your decision will be final.
What should I say for this? He has to decide, na?
Then ask him.
Okay, I will ask him. What do you say? Is she carrying?
We can say it's there and also
Hey,
not
what do you
there.
mean?
What I'm coming to say is, without testing anything, we just can't confirm anything.
Hey, you idiot. Unless you couldn't identify whether the girl is pregnant or not, how can you lead a life with her, yeah?
Pregnant?
Yes, pregnancy. Please don't misunderstand us. On the way over here, so many people said so many things. They said this girl is going to be a mother of a kid.
It is their daughters who are pregnant like that.
Why are you fighting unnecessarily with all of them? What you've heard is true. I'm going to be a mother soon. But I'm not pregnant like what all of you think.
Then?
There's a boy in my school. His name is Appu. He has no mother. She passed away. I want to be his mother. That's my wish.
So
my
what I
God.
understand is, are you going to adopt him?
Are you mad?
Uh.
Why should I adopt him? I'll marry his father. That's all.
Correct.
Correct.
Then let's
shall
go.
we move?
Correct.
What do you think about yourself? I'm not so cheap to marry my daughter as the second wife. It'll never happen.
If something like that happens, my boss will hang himself right here. You know that? Do you want it?
Oh, shut up, will you?
Dad,
No,
you needn't
nothing.
shout and get your blood pressure up. I will not marry anyone else other than Uncle Chandran.
Chandran has got a son, you know that? There's a lot of age difference between you and him.
I know. That is why he has not accepted my love for him. Till now.
Correct.
Sick of that. You think I will accept all this? No way. What your father says, that'll be my wish.
Ah.
Okay, but you're going to feel tired cooking for the families who come to see me. This time these people will tell. Next time I will tell them myself.
Then know this, I will never marry you off in this bed.
Nothing will happen. Relax. Someday he will understand what is in my heart. And the next second I will leave this house. And I won't leave this house empty-handed. I will take all the jewelry that you all bought for me.
Oh no, if you go, at least leave 2 bangles for us. Because my boss will need food. He will either pawn this or sell this and eat it.
Is that so?
I'm going now to a place where I have some work to do.
What is the reason?
That's there. Come with me. I'll tell you.
Hey, don't rush yourself. If I say she will come, she'll come definitely.
Brother?
Look, see, she has come.
I told you,
Get
be
down.
patient. Bride is giving money to stop her own marriage.
I had no other go. That's why.
I know.
I see. You're the reason for all this.
Then what?
What, madam? How is the bridegroom?
He is good looking, but every parent thinks that.
What do you mean?
That's a
That's
proverb.
all, huh?
I will
That's
tell you
enough for
about
your
that
snuff.
later. I'll leave now. There's a cycling competition which
Hey,
is going
give
to
me a
happen
little
at my
more, yeah.
school. Come and
Oh,
sit.
Appu will be representing that, is it?
Yes, of course. Sit.
Hey, what are you looking at?
What are you looking here? Huh?
Very good collection.
What you have in the basket?
Carry
You are
on.
only selling drumstick
No,
nowadays.
also pumpkin.
Oh, she has come with a pumpkin.
We won't allow to spoil the agriculture land. We won't allow to spoil the agriculture land.
Leave it down, let's spoil.
We won't allow to spoil the agriculture land.
Leave it down, let's spoil.
We won't allow to spoil the agriculture land.
Leave it down, let's
We
spoil.
won't allow to spoil the agriculture land.
Mr. Chandran, please don't go there.
We won't allow
They
to
are
spoil
looking
the
very
agriculture
angry.
land.
If you go there, there will be a problem.
Agriculture land.
No, sir. If I'm involving myself in something, I won't go back. Yesterday, today, or in future, it won't happen. Take him away.
Sir, you may go. We'll take care of
Down,
it.
let's spoil.
We will not.
Greetings to everyone. Did I come very late?
Mr. Chandran, our party means business.
I saw a lot of parties like this.
But our party is very different.
Oh, no. Your party is so powerful and the entire nation knows that. But your ideas will not work here.
You don't blabber.
Oh, I see.
Agriculture lands cannot be destroyed.
Oh.
There is a law. I will advertise that you are violating the law and
Cat is out of
neglecting
the
us.
basket.
When so many farmers like us are living here in this town, how did you take this kind of decision? Why are you laughing? Are you teasing us?
Don't mistake me, leader. You said everybody here are farmers, so I'm not able to control myself. More than that, in my entire life, this is the first time I'm seeing a bunch of farmers. Greetings to everyone. Okay. Now you all come. My dear media people, please listen to this. Every year, if you do agriculture, you'll get lot of profit out of this field. The bad luck is this is my land. And I want to do agriculture in this. And I tried. I bet, my dear friends, not even a single farmer will come. Nobody to take care of the water, nobody take care of the farm, nobody to cultivate. If you want to destroy the field and start a factory, legal
Even the
procedure will
law
not
also
allow.
accept. He will not allow it. My brother knows the pride of this land better than these people.
But you announced that you are going to destruct it.
I'll tell you. Everybody, come that side. My dear brothers, you have to forgive me. When I find out nobody is interested to work in the field, I have decided to do a drama like this. Even if I plead, you won't come to work for me. That's why I plan in this way.
If we say that we are going to spoil the agriculture land, we know that you all people will come here.
Oh, camera person, come this side. Everyone standing this side are farmers and he accepted the same thing, right? That means being a farmer, it's their duty to work in my field, right? I'm ready to pay lump sum amount as salary. Then they should love to work for me. Throw the flag and come. We'll have to talk. Hey, about agriculture, what else? Why are you standing? Give them something to work.
Okay,
Come
you
on,
come
everybody,
here,
come
come,
on.
come.
You
Wait,
want to save the
he's calling
agriculture
me
land,
aside.
right? Come on, let's
Careful,
save the
leader.
land. Come on.
Media
Sir,
people are here.
why are you
Please take
crowding
care
around
of
us?
your party.
Ah,
One second. Tell me, leader.
I was recently admitted in a hospital.
Oh.
Body is paining.
Not a problem. Someday in your life, when you work hard like this, you'll know the value of the work. My dear comrades and friends, to talk like this, you need strength. For that, you need to work hard. Hey, Jaybal, he wants to work, so give him something.
Oh my God, you're looking so beautiful. You
We'll
stand the
do
next election,
agriculture.
definitely you'll win.
We'll
Come on,
save
come on,
the
come on.
nation. We'll do agriculture. I definitely need to thank you. Without your support, it wouldn't have happened.
Thank you, thank you.
Hold this. Do it. What are you doing? Come here. Do it. What?
Where are those fellows?
Wait, boss. They will come. There, they are coming. Kanamapeta Karupa, Rayapuram Mani. They were in jail. Now they are out on parole. Don't worry, I am here.
Come on, get down. They are looking like fools here. Good morning, master.
Good morning.
Greetings, boss.
Pranams.
I did not ask you both to come here to greet him. Boss, tell them the matter.
I called you because I have no other way to go. But mind it, you shouldn't hit him. I just need you to scare him off from here.
You just show the person. I will take care
Give
of other
him the
things.
photo.
Okay. Here.
Hey, let me see. This guy, yeah?
This is my childhood photo, yeah.
No. This child is the biggest headache for my boss today. My boss's daughter should not just be a mother. He also wants a brother immediately. This boy is asking for
No
that.
doubt about that.
All right, give them the money.
Oh, okay.
Just a minute.
Before doing something well and good, you have to eat definitely some sweets. That's what my mother said.
Yeah, my mom.
They are just like school kids.
Now, give me. Okay, touch it.
Okay, boss, you don't worry hereafter. Even if it is a son or a dad, everyone is same for us. You will not face any problems hereafter. Oh,
So,
we are
shall we
moving.
move?
Thank you.
Wait. Don't scare me like this, man.
Just simply.
Who the bloody has fixed it over here?
What happened
Somebody
to
is
you?
trying to kill me.
Nothing is there.
He's over there.
Come on,
Catch him.
Let's
Catch him. Catch him.
Hey, don't run.
Don't let him go. Come on,
Hey,
catch
don't
him.
run, stop.
Catch him. Hey,
Hey,
you
we are
stop
going to
there.
catch you.
Hey. Hey, you.
He's there, come on.
Yes!
There he's
Wait,
gone.
man.
He's there. Come on,
Stop.
let's catch him.
Right there.
Come on. Hey, run fast.
Hey. Don't let me run like this, okay?
You gotta catch him.
Stop there.
Oh. Come on.
Hey,
Hey,
wait,
don't
wait,
run.
wait.
Stop.
Stop.
Yeah. He has fallen down. Else we have to run.
I'm really exhausted, man.
Hmm.
What is your name, man?
Appu.
Do you know what's my name?
No.
Scorpion.
Huh? Hey, where is my scorpion?
Are you teasing me? Once they hear my name, they will be shivering. Hey, you nasty guy. You're asking for a little brother, huh? And that too from a master's daughter, huh?
It's not my boss' daughter to get a baby brother for you. Hereafter, if you call her as mother, then I'll definitely break your bones for sure.
So that I can call twice now.
Hey, you little guy, you don't know the sharpness of this weapon.
Hey, come on. Just like it. Like that only. Come on, cut it. He doesn't know about us.
Just like this, I will chop you into pieces. Run. Run away, I said, run away.
Hey, go.
Run. Hey, who is this?
Their style resembling, I think they are the farmers.
After seeing our performance, they're coming to praise us, I think. Yeah.
Come on. Hey, if you wanna
Come on,
appreciate us,
come
on and
Come on.
appreciate us.
Praise me, praise
Where
me.
you cut all this?
Come on, hit
Hey, stop that girl.
You want me here? I will turn the wheel.
Oh, that's Uncle Chandran. What is it, Uncle?
Hey, come with me.
Oh,
Okay, come.
Rehna, you leave. I'm going along with Uncle.
Get down.
Ouch!
My son.
What happened? Why are you bringing me here? At last you've gotten
Then
me
what?
to your place, is it? Oh,
You have the audacity to send rowdies to threaten my son? Hey, old man, I'm warning you. If something happened like this, leave me! Your girl is loving me and she's after me for many years. Then I'll
She
make
will
her...
do both for twins.
Hey. No, I wanted to
he
come
wanted to tell you only this.
We just came here to explain in person only.
Hey, you please wait.
My boss will not just give the words like this. Definitely it will be twins only.
Hey, we'll discuss this later. You come to the jeep. Come. Go. My intention is not to make her...
Uncle wanted to tell you only this.
Come
with me.
on.
If it is twins, definitely twins
Shut up,
only.
you idiot. Come.
He will do what he says,
You
boss.
shut up. Hey, do you have sense?
What,
I'm
brother?
already avoiding her. You are saying she'll carry my babies.
It's too much, right?
Then what?
Then single will be fine. One baby is confirmed.
You sit down.
Oh, no twins,
Brother,
only one.
I know about your
You
stamina.
entirely
Come on.
misunderstood the... Start the engine.
What, brother? Will it come?
Hello? Breathe out or else you'll die. You'll drink, right? I'll give a medicine to mix with that. Hey, give me that. Yes, take this. 2 times a day.
Daddy, coffee. I only prepare, Dad.
Wow, awesome. Hey, come here. Come, sit here. See and learn. Our forefathers started this service to help the poor. See and learn. Are you mixing the brandy in your
What
eyes?
is this?
This is a herbal root.
Get down. You wait here, okay?
Okay.
Is it
No,
to
no,
drink?
not to drink. You have to apply on skin. Always think about boozing. Next patient. What is troubling you?
Love. No, sugar.
For that, you don't have to eat sweets. You can leave.
It's not possible.
Get up. I said get up.
Please don't keep shouting at me, doctor. Here, look at my hand.
What is
This
this?
wound is entirely due to what you did yesterday. This wound should never heal. It should keep aching. So give me something to keep the wound open.
Go to hell. Tell me, are you out of your mind? What is that?
On one side, love is mad, isn't it? For you to understand that, there should be something inside. I have come to ask you if there's any medicine for heartless people like that.
Hey, why you are watching all these things?
You are only told me to watch and learn.
If you learn this, you'll get spoiled. Get out.
Shall I give it?
What are you saying?
Is that a medical case?
Oh no.
Yes, come in.
Hello, sir.
Greetings. Sit
Yes,
down.
sir.
Take your seat.
you.
Armalam, tea, please. Missing?
No, sir. It's kidnapping.
Is it? At the temple?
Yes, sir. There was a priest, a palm reader with a parrot, and a musician. Everybody is the reason for his kidnap.
Can you identify if you see them?
Yes, sir.
Then don't worry. I will find them.
After this news, I was admitted in the hospital. That's why it took a long time for me to complain. Please do me a favor, sir. I request you to find my husband.
Okay, leave your contact number. If I get any information, I'll call you immediately.
I'll leave,
Take care.
sir.
Do you want security?
No, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Hey,
Hey, come on.
get in.
Come on, get in. Don't make noise. Get in. Hey, come on.
Don't shout.
Start the vehicle.
Quiet.
Let's go.
Quiet.
Come on, go.
Go. Drive fast.
Jayapal, this is not our place. We'd better inquire and then go. Wait. Come back. It's no harm in asking for help. Our brother?
What, brother?
Madirasi. Yeah, Madirasi.
Brother, what did you say?
Oh, wait. What are they doing?
Brother, we are going to a vehicle location.
Hello, I just asked how to go.
Hey, stop.
No, don't climb. Climb and all. Oh, what are they doing? Hello, sir, no, please get down. Sir, what are you doing? Oh, okay. Brother,
we are fine.
which way to go to Madirasi?
This way only, brother.
Okay, get it.
Oh my God, it's ridiculous, brother.
Hey, don't talk like that. It's no harm in helping others. So don't worry, take left.
Hey, we have reached. Come on. Get down. Come on. Get the things down, yaar. Come on. Give me. Come on, get down. Fast. Get down. Hey, get the things there.
Hello.
Hey, get down.
Hello. Come here. Where is Madrasi?
We got into a vehicle now from there. After there is a junction, that is Madrasi.
Oh, so everyone is cheating me.
You are the loser.
Who's a loser?
You only, man.
Hey, what are you saying?
Hey.
What is
Hey,
this?
I will cut your throat and chop your balls also.
Brother?
Be careful, okay? Get lost.
You see
You
that
guys don't know
vasectomy
who I am
doctor?
and
What the hell is he
Come on,
saying?
guys.
Actually, that place is very close to the place where we met them.
Whatever you said, we have to help others and that will definitely save us. What happened?
Hey, I'll cut your throat and your two testicles. Come.
Are you sure?
Stop the vehicle.
Okay,
Stop. Now you can see how I'm gonna handle all these people. Now wait and see. Brother, greetings. How to go to
come,
Madirasi?
Madras.
Wait. Don't do that. I'm just asking you, brothers. I just want to know the route to Madirasi.
Oh, rude. Then go straight.
I have a doubt, so let me confirm with someone else. Brother.
What?
1 second. I want to know the route to Madras. They are selling cycles, a small lane, this way or that way.
Hello.
Brother. Oh!
I already told you that you have to go straight. Then why are you rechecking him?
No, nothing like that, brother.
Won't you believe me?
Don't mistake me. What,
You
brother?
asked him first.
Yeah.
Ask me the second time. The third
Yes.
time will you ask them?
Hey!
You will ask to a dog the
What is
fourth
it doing?
time. Do you think we are all mad people?
Boss, look at his feet.
What lane?
What
at his
stupid
feet, not
question?
here,
What
there.
kind of
Look at
doubt?
his feet.
You bloody idiot. Dunk-taka. Hey, dunk-taka. Oh, dunk-taka. Hey.
Wait. See. Come.
What's the problem here?
I'll explain.
I will tell madam.
I'll explain. Wait.
Tell me.
Madam, I am really an innocent boy, you know.
Oh, please, don't act. I know people like you. Tell me the truth. What happened?
Oh, like that. I'm really happy. Ma'am, you know what happened? When we came this side, we asked him some route.
Didn't he tell you?
Yes, he explained. But to clear the doubt, I asked him again. That is the problem, ma'am.
Oh.
Oh.
Asking more than one person for the route to a particular place is not wrong. In your country.
Okay.
This city is different. Come.
Where to?
Hey, come.
Hello, madam.
Give me 500 rupees.
For what?
Give me, I say.
But
now.
ma'am, I didn't do any mistake.
Don't you want to leave without getting beaten? Because you've not committed any mistake, it's 500. Or else it would be 1,000. Okay,
Hey,
everybody
just
leave.
get a car.
Hey,
Hey,
go. 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 See you later.
Next meeting.
Let her go.
Okay, I'll leave.
Oh my god. What place is this, brother? They are plucking the money like this? I don't know what will happen further here.
Oh God. This is the place we were searching. Okay, park the vehicle somewhere. We'll ask somebody. Stop.
I have stopped a long bug, but it is not getting stopped.
I think shop is
So
somewhere.
you don't know
near.
exactly?
Come. We'll ask somebody. Come.
Okay.
Come.
Hey,
Oh,
stop,
not
stop,
again.
stop.
Same lady police. She has us 500, right?
Wait. I'll take care.
What, brother?
Why are you both here?
No, there's a cycle mart here. I want to buy a cycle for myself.
Where have you parked your vehicle?
We just pulled over there.
Do you know what place this is?
A place inside India.
Huh?
Coimbatore.
Madrasi.
See, you hear what he said?
You have parked your vehicle in a no parking zone.
What?
Didn't you see the board?
Where?
There.
Oh, it is written in some other language. Oh no.
I think it's no
Is
parking.
it a no parking zone?
That is not my problem.
Also not our problem, right?
Come. Come with me.
Where to?
Give me 500 rupees.
10 minutes back I gave you 500.
That's why I'm asking you 500 rupees, or else it would be
No,
1,000.
madam, please listen to what I say.
Give it.
Brother, give it to her fast, else she is going to demand a high. Give it to her.
Give it soon.
Okay, I'll take.
Good. Get a good cycle for your son,
okay.
Then move your vehicle soon, okay?
Park it somewhere.
I
Do you
have the key with me.
Move
I'll
your
take
vehicle
it.
soon, okay?
Okay,
park
madam.
it.
So
Yeah,
we'll
okay.
take care. We'll take care.
Okay.
Huh?
What?
Make it quick.
I'll change it immediately. I'm going now. Okay.
I asked you to learn more languages. See what happened.
If I leave.
Okay, everything for that boy.
Hello. Parking fees,
How
100
much?
rupees.
100, okay. Hey! You again? Oh, now you have another job to cheat.
I will do whatever work I want to do. Give me the money now, quick.
Hello, you know to whom you are talking to? I won't give you even 10 rupees. What? Are you cheating me? Hey, call the police. Call them immediately. I'll
Hey,
tell
hey,
everything
just leave
about
me, I
another real cops
say.
and
Hey,
all.
leave my hand. Oh, save me. Somebody save me. Save me, please.
What is
Somebody
happening?
save me.
Hey,
Oh, save me, please. Somebody come and
What
save me
is
now.
happening
Hey,
here?
she
Tell
only
me.
had me.
Why are you playing?
This man.
Who? This fellow. Beat him. He has taken enough beating.
This is not
Why not enough?
I had 5,000 rupees with me. He stole it.
What?
No.
Hey, you bloody rascal! Give the money. What? There? You have the money there?
No.
Everybody check. Give it. Take it out. Give the money. Take it out. There is a counterfeit note in the bundle.
Hey, no, that's not bundle. That's not a bundle.
Hey, give the money.
Okay, myself will take
Take the money out. Hey, give it.
Here, give her.
Sister, count it. Check it properly.
Oh God, great escape.
Thanks,
You're
brother.
welcome. Everyone come. Be careful.
Why did you keep it there?
Hello, this is Coimbatore. When your time is not good, when a snake bites, you will be hit by thunder also. That's why
Thank you very much, sir.
you.
Hey, don't. I'll frame you for rape.
He's been given 10 years jail for raping a girl.
You know the punishment for raping a girl, right? Life
Are
imprisonment.
you not ashamed? Don't you have any self-respect?
Oh my God, brother,
You
leave
have-
her, leave
Wait, man, I know. Are you not ashamed of what you're doing now?
Look here, sir. This world is full of people who cheat. The wife cheats the husband, and the husband cheats the wife. The government cheats the people, and the people cheat the government. Why are you blaming me for everything? Sometimes I'm the police, and sometimes I'm walking in the parking lot. You can see me in many disguises, okay?
Get lost. Please give me massage.
Sorry, I didn't think that they would beat you so hard. Huh?
Hello.
Huh?
At least tell your name.
Maya.
Is that real or a fake one?
Oh yeah. Look here. If you want to tell my name to the police and try and get me caught, I will kill you. I'll chop you up, okay?
Chopping off. She didn't mention what she's going to chop.
If a man gets a tough time, you said there is a snake, right? That story.
Dhoni, Dhoni, your father is drinking too much and he is sitting over the rock. Come on, take him. Open Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style.
Daddy!
Open Gangnam
Daddy!
Style. Oh,
Daddy!
open Gangnam Style.
Daddy!
Who's that?
It's me, Daddy, Dhoni.
Oh, my son Dhoni. Your father lost his balance.
Come on, Daddy, let's go home.
Yes, come. You take the cycle, I will ride it.
If you ride this, both of them will fall down. Let's walk with that.
Okay, then you take the cycle, I will ride.
Okay.
Okay. I will take you, you take the cycle, okay? I am taking you, you take the cycle. Come.
Why you drank today?
Just...
If you don't stop drinking, no? In the future, I won't get anything I wish.
I know, you have to buy that sports cycle.
Huh?
Don't worry, Daddy will buy.
Really, Daddy?
Definitely sure. Don't worry, Daddy will buy sports cycle for you. Promise.
Hey, stop. How dare you take this young boy to the wine shop, you bloody idiot?
You are correct, father. But last week's speech, you only told that we have to learn children everything. That's why I took him to the wine shop and taught him something. Political scenarios, rowdyism, everything, we can learn only in the wine shop.
You are suspended and that's the right decision.
You don't worry, father. Next week, I will definitely join in my duty. And I will come and meet you. Bye. Thank you, father. Praise the Lord. If my arrival delayed means you just go to church and sit there.
Is it Coimbatore is far from here, Dad?
It's not exactly Coimbatore. There is a place called Madrasi. It's nearby that. Okay, I am leaving.
Daddy? This is the shop address.
Oh, okay.
I was just praying all this time. I am really surprised to see that you have accepted his words, that you are going to withdraw the case.
Sir,
Yeah?
I know who's began Johnny's case, sir.
Oh.
I know that culprit's house, sir. Of course, sir. If you come with me, we can arrest him immediately.
Right. I will start immediately. Constable! Come on. Come with me.
My God, what have you done?
Quick!
Oh, brother, please listen my words. Brother,
Okay, you keep quiet. I'll put a full stop to his chapter. You please come, sir.
Come on, constables. Come on,
my
follow
God,
me.
how many police people are going? Sir, please stop.
Follow me, sir. You
Don't
please
worry.
sit down, sir.
Yes, we'll arrest him.
You go, sir.
Yes.
I'll do one
Get in,
more
get
thing,
in.
sir. I'll come in my
okay,
jeep. You
okay.
please follow me,
Right.
sir. Come, start the engine, come. I'll show what I can do. Come, sit down. Shh, come. This is the place. Come. Where is he? Sir, come
You
quietly, sir. Come
imbecile.
quietly. Shh.
There's no use having such a
Easy,
bloody
huh?
big mustache.
Come quietly,
You
sir.
need to be useful. You're dead.
See, oh, sir. See, he's the culprit, sir. You see that 4 persons, sir? Out of that, 1 person is wearing banyan. That big eye guy. He is the culprit.
You brought the police.
Yes, police. What did you think? When you threaten me, I'll pack my things and go back to my hometown? Even in this city, there's rules and regulations. And there are a lot of good cops like him are also here. Sir, he is the reason behind Johnny's case. You just arrest him, he'll explain everything to you. Go and arrest him, sir. Your chapter is over, huh? How is that? Wait and see.
Sir!
Pillai, I am the law in this city. Devaram, Superintendent of Police. I'm giving you another choice now. You don't withdraw the complaint. I will deal with it directly, huh? Inspector,
Yes, sir.
take this rabbit and leave it wherever you found it, okay?
Yes, sir.
Ha! This lion prefers to hunt its prey. This is vibhuti to me and ashes to you.
Come.
The cycle I chose.
Everything
on
is
that-
ready. Please come with me.
Pillai, how do you do? It is my childhood dream to get a bike like this. But then I had no money. What could I do? But now, I have the money to buy 10 bikes, but I don't like it. That's how life is. We'll like something today, but tomorrow we might not like it. You like to find the Johnny today, but tomorrow that might change. Even if you like it, what can you do?
Sir,
Huh?
sir, please, sir.
Hey! You want to get arrested too? Huh?
Hey, don't
Sir,
okay.
Hey, you, Inspector!
Yes, sir.
Come and
Sir.
serve a tea in my style.
Sure, sir. Thanks. Come.
Sir,
Sir, I'll come.
sir, what, sir?
Come. You will get special treatment from me. Come. Get in.
Jaipal.
Right, move it. Hey, where is our daughter?
Why? What is the problem?
Wonderful things are happening. The gods have heard my plea.
God has heard everything.
God will never leave me, you know that?
Tell me what is the matter. Tell me fast.
I'll not tell you.
First call her. I will tell her what it is.
What is it? You wanted to speak to me privately?
You know this guy? His father. He's been arrested by the police. Here, it's out in the papers. Read it.
Get the next page. Down there.
Don't worry about all this, Appu. All this is not true.
You don't be the judge of that. I've inquired everywhere. The news out in the papers are true. He is in police custody now.
No, he cannot escape this time.
What did you do to Johnny?
He didn't do anything to Johnny, sir.
Silence! I know that. Shall I file the FIR in your name and close the case?
Sir!
You open your mouth only for food, understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you know what the FIR is about? Pillai, to buy cycles for the kids, Chandran and Johnny came here. Being from the same town, they became friends in the cycle shop. And from there, they went to the bar to celebrate the reunion. After they got high, they got into a quarrel. Chandran really got angry. He took Johnny aside and killed him.
Hey! What are you blabbering? I don't care. Sir, don't talk like this.
I'm God to this city. There is no escape for you.
This is your imagination, sir. To punish me, I have to do something wrong. truth is more powerful and it will automatically come out.
Hey! You're trying to lecture me? Get one thing clear in your head. 60% of all the inmates in our prison are innocents. Being innocent is nothing. Be a culprit and play innocent. That is smart. You're a bloody fool. Innocents are fools.
Sir. You go. Bring him a strong tea.
You throw that in the dustbin.
Be cool. Did they beat you?
What question is this, advocate? I'm in the custody. Do you think they'll kiss me?
But he hasn't spoken a word, right?
Don't be a fool. During interrogation, if you don't want to get hurt, say yes to everything. Come to the court and turn the table. To escape from the police and to get bail, that is the only way. Sign on this. Bail application.
Sir, will I get bail if I sign
Will
this?
get. Lawyer's fee will be very high because this is a murder case.
What, murder case?
Yes?
Simply, just tell him.
Sir, now I don't have any cash to give you.
You come by a vehicle, right?
Yeah, I have it with me now.
This is my fees.
Not now.
Sign the document.
What is this?
Sign.
Leave it. We'll come back to this later.
Really unbelievable. Which place in Madurai?
Next to Meenakshi Amman temple.
Did you hear? Near the temple.
All the heroes of this industry all want Madam as the heroine.
Oh, really?
All the Khans from Hindi keeps calling me.
For what?
each and every Khan, I'm holding each and every phone.
I
it's
know
so
not.
difficult.
People
They're
are
all
always like
praising
that.
about Madam.
They have big heart.
That's okay. Tell me whether it's an item dance or film.
Oh, cinema.
Oh, title?
Actually,
Title is Jil Jung Jak or Jung Jil Jung.
What?
Oh,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
see.
same.
Nowadays, from the title, we are not able to judge what type of a film it is.
It's a
Yes,
crisscross.
it is a glamour come a horror movie.
What? Really? Yeah. Same.
Oh, that's good. What is that?
Sack.
Is it a sack?
Yeah, sack.
yeah.
Inside remuneration.
Remuneration.
Oh. If the cash is correct, my dates is also correct.
We'll settle everything. You don't need to call.
Okay, then can I hear the subject?
Okay, I'll come to the subject. Can I get some water to drink?
Organize juice for all of them.
Couple of
Okay,
juices.
madam.
Anything. Okay.
Actually, this is not a big subject. It's a story about a snake and
crab
a
will
crab.
catch the snake,
Yeah,
brother.
crab is killing the
How
snake.
is it possible?
When you ask like this, how can I explain? Imagine you are a crab now.
Okay, I've imagined.
Madam is involving with the character. You know what? In the first scene itself, we are opening the sack and then we are holding like this. And then we are
That day, she was absolutely nothing. I was the one who got her the dates and she's a heroine today. Okay, you go give him the juice. Huh. Where have they gone? There's nobody here. Maybe all of them went somewhere together. Madam? Oh my god. Madam? Oh my god, where have they gone?
Are you going abroad? You're waving your hands. Hey, put it inside. Put it inside.
Wait.
What is she asking? Was she a beggar? She's asking. Hey, put
Put her down.
your hand in slowly. Put your hand inside the sack.
Hey, silence.
Take your hand. Take your hand. Hand.
She's looking so lean. I think it's bone weight.
Bone weight?
Yes, brother. She's
Oh,
really
this is
weighing
not
high.
bone weight. This is her head weight. Now
Okay,
call
okay,
that
brother.
SP. Hello. Tell your partner that I kidnapped you. Why I'm not able to reach the head? Whoa! She's upside down.
Oh, is that so, brother?
Come on, open. Okay. Subscriber, please stay on the line. Madam, where's your head? Hello, please come out. Shh. Come. Talk.
Hello, Mr. Devaram, please save me. They're trying to kill me. Please save
no
me.
romance. Give. Hello, this is Rabbit Lion. Same old demand. Where is Johnny? I'll give you 24 hours time. Think and come to a decision. Yeah, your SP. Where is your face? Oh,
Traced.
Hello.
The tower range is near to Nagamala. It is really 35 kilometers away from here. And they are in a paper factory, Amritsar.
Hey, Manigo.
Hello, madam. I have a doubt. From top to bottom, everything is original or else it's duplicate?
It's all original.
But don't get tensed. If it is original, it will get damaged. And if it is duplicate, then also...
Take your hands.
No.
Chandra, please, just leave me off alone.
Don't touch me. What do you think? You're wearing a shorts and you're trying to kiss me? So you think I'll melt over you? That is in real life. This is real life. If you come closer, I'll slap.
Let the big tiger fall on you. Let the storm come and fall on you.
No. Wait.
You will never survive. You
This
get
is
lost.
proper local. Don't get
She's
deceived
looking
by
like an
painting.
innocent. See how she... What blasting sound is that? Is Pakistan is
That
nearby?
sound came from that direction. The sound was so loud, right?
Exactly. I heard a thunder sound.
It's not the thunder, brother. Someone has dropped the bomb.
Blasting?
Oh my God.
No, only I remember. She's inside.
Oh my
Come. Hey. Oh, no. Where is she?
Where she is gone?
See, only her stool is here. Where is she now?
She's gone.
Gone to where?
Brother, she is also warm. Let her go.
Everything is spoiled.
Oh my God.
I'm not able to do anything
I
from
got the slippers in memory of her.
Hey,
What?
hey.
What?
Why are you taking her slippers?
Like
Aren't
a
you
memorial.
ashamed?
You don't want it? Okay.
Help! Please. Open the door. Oh my God.
Anybody wants to help me will be disturbed by Devaram. Now Maya, next target will be you. In this situation, why you want to stay with me? You go back to home.
For an unknown guy in a situation, you are struggling a lot, brother. But in my life, you have done a lot of good things, brother. I haven't done anything in turn to you, but I have to do something for you, brother.
Situation is more critical now, that's why I'm saying. You read the news that comes in the newspaper. The first person killed was Johnny and he is a Christian. Malika is a Muslim and now I am a Hindu. The Devaram is trying to create a religious conflict here in the city. Showing that one reason. He already got shoot and sight order for me from the magistrate.
Why we have to accept all his words, brother, for that? We have to take revenge on him, brother, for sure, before he...
I am thinking about that only. We have to do. But we need a proper plan. I want to destroy the Devaram. I want a proper plan for that.
But brother, we have to act quickly because we don't have time.
Keep one thing in your mind. We also born in Tamil Nadu, okay? If he hits, we will also give it back to him. We should prove to him that what we are all made of. Let him do what he can do. And I will also prove what is my counterattack.
What, brother?
Like
Flashing
hey.
Hey, brother, police! Come on, let's go! Run! Come on, run! This way!
What is that?
Uncle!
Hey, you.
Uncle, what are you doing
No,
here?
I'm in search of my friend because my. No,
Come
police.
fast, come fast!
What, man? What is the
He
matter?
only kidnapped me and leave me as it is.
Oh, I know that. It's always danger to be here.
No,
Come
no.
soon. Come. Come. Come
It's a
soon, I
risk.
said.
No, please.
Get
Please
inside.
listen.
You also get in. Get on. Come in.
Madam,
You
this
come
house.
soon. Come soon. Please come.
No. Madam, when he comes
There
here.
is no
I
better
will-
place hiding than this place. Understand? You'll always be safe here. We'll get up in the morning and think what to do. Come on. You stay here tonight. This is the safest place. Don't worry about anything. I will take care.
Good night.
This is SP Sir Jeep key. You just take it, okay?
Okay. I leave. I need to make a call. Can I get a mobile now?
SP Sir mobile phone.
Oh.
We are still alive, you bloody. Just remember, if my boss get hurtings because of you, then I'll definitely kill you for sure. I will cut into pieces and I'll throw just like that.
Hey Jeba, it's me.
Oh my brother, where are you? How come on this number?
Now I'm in SP's house.
SP's house?
After the hunt, Lion is taking rest now. He wants to wake up with the news of our deaths.
What, brother? I don't know what you're saying.
Don't worry about anything. Tomorrow morning, we'll reach our place.
They have blocked all the ways, brother.
Humans cannot reach all the places. There you can see God. You pray for us. Everything will be alright soon.
Sir,
Yes, same officials. Your IG Mr. Ilangovan. This is District Magistrate Mr. Senapati.
No confusion, Mr. Devaram. Matter is very simple. You are under arrest.
Are you a human being? You're an animal. It's really shame for our department. Hey, whatever you said in front of the magistrate, tell now in front of him to your boss. Now.
Hey, no. I'll tell. I will explain everything, sir. Moreover, only when I explain it will be proper, sir. But we should not start with Johnny's case. Even before that, Mr. Jayakrishnan. Jayakrishnan, a journalist from Delhi. Not an ordinary journalist. He is the one helped the entire nation to know about the 2G scams. People were ready to give him 300 crores, but he refused it. The hero who fought for the truth. The persons involved in this case, a lot of politicians from Tamil Nadu. Somebody are in jail, somebody are yet to go to jail. To worship in Tamil Nadu, he came along with his wife. He should not return to Delhi. That is the order given from higher officials.
Come on, get it. Come on, get it. Get it, Asa, get it.
Push him in. Come on, go, go, go.
Jay Krishnan, the man from the lineage of fire. Ha ha! Very good. I appreciate you. Complaints after complaints make the leaders go to the hard jail and be imprisoned. Young and daddy. How many times I warned you not to do anything of this kind? What is this, huh? Like a mega soap, you keep writing complaints, and what do you plan to do? Take me out of my job, eh? Is that it, huh?
Yes, I will write. Until the bribe is getting disappear, I will definitely write. Not 1 or 2 rupees, it's 50,000 crores. With that much of money, all over India can get free water and electricity. Do you know that?
Ooh. Super. I appreciate it. Very good strategy, but bad attitude. Do you know what my leader has told me? The lion comes alone for the hunt. Like me. Enough of your complaints and enough of you. Hey, get hold of him.
We'll go in our own jeep, sir. I have strong tea for you, sir. With a lot of sugar, sir.
Sorry, Mr. Chandra.
Oh no, don't apologize, sir. I have to say thanks to you because you saved my life, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now do you understand? Hero not only needs glamour but also brains. Again, one more time, strongest lion is defeated by a small rabbit. That is natural. Because rabbit is just a prey. God will support only to the weakest section. Go to jail. Don't give dirty looks. Go. Sorry. I really don't know any other option than this. I send your husband to the jail, so please don't curse me.
Daddy! Daddy cycle.
Jaiba, take it and give it to him.
Here it is.
Then you don't need to cry. I bought what you deserve. There's no one for him now. I don't want to leave him in an orphanage. Will you show the same affection to him that you're showing to Appu?
She will definitely love them. She already wants to become a mother of 2 children, right?
Appu, call him also and come.